today we have a BettyCora. Hey everyone, in today's video we have a BettyCora nail unboxing video for you guys. So I have, I think 9 pairs of fake nails. I don't know what's in here. This is a mystery to me. They have sent these to me, so thank you so much, BettyCora, for sending them to me. I don't know what is in here, but I'm excited to see them and try them. Yeah. Oh, there's actually, what is in, oh, we've got nail wraps. Okay, so we have some nail wraps so that can go on your natural nail. So I have actually filed off all of my gel polish and everything because I'm ready to put fake nails on. So we have these nail wraps. Then we've got these. These are super cute. Like, the quality of these actually look really good. I kind of think I might want to wear those. Those actually look really nice. It's really lovely. Then oh, I love these. These are very long. These are very long. Like, look, if you put my nail next to it, that's a good amount of height. Like, I feel like those would be good for an event or whatever. What I love about the BettyCora nails as well, when you open it, is that they have a glue. They've got the, like, you know, the press-on-y stuff. They've got instructions. They've got a nail file in there. They've got everything you need. Like, see, the little pack, the nail file, the stick, the little alcohol swab. They've got everything that you need. And that's what I love about the nails, too, is that it's got everything that you need in the whole kit. These are adorable. The lemons, the freaking, oh, these are so adorable. These are actually so freaking cute. I love them. Let's go on to the next bag. Oh, I really like the lemons in there. That's really cool. Or the orange, like the citrusy. Yeah. Oh, we've got these. So we've got some short ones. These are really cute. I do like the little subtle amount. I love wearing short nails because as a dog groomer, like, my hands look so stumpy in this frame right now. I like having long nails because it makes me feel more like feminine. But in grooming, you have to have short nails. So I really like getting the short nails as well. But these are so cute and so fun. Oh, I love these. I think I'm going to, like, try them on. Because I'm going to do another video of me actually trying them on. And those ones look really sweet. These ones will come out, but these ones are so adorable. Oh, I love these. These are actually too cute. Okay. These are adorable. Love them. And I love that they're a short version as well. So I think that that's really cool. All right, on to the last bag that we have here of this unboxing. Oh, these are a work of art. Look at these. The detailing of these, the waves, the birds, these look hand-painted. Oh my God, these are a luxury. I feel like BettyCora's nails will just keep getting better and better, honestly. Oh, they do keep getting better and better because this is an amazing look at this. I love these. Those are really freaking adorable. Those are really cute. Love them. They're really cute. I love that. I know I'm saying they're really cute, but it's so good. And the best part about press-on nails, so glue them on. They last for like 2 weeks. But then put a top coat on and they look so nice and shiny. It's so beautiful. Okay, this is the last one. Ready? 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 Oh, these are cute. It's like a little kind of like ombre drops. Like, this is absolutely adorable. Oh, I love these. I cannot wait to try these on. These are so pretty. Like, just to try all these on and to put them on because these are so adorable. And the nail wraps too. Like, oh, I love these. These must be a new thing that they've got. Oh, these are so cool when you put top coat on top. So yeah, that was my BettyCora nail haul. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. But until next time, I love you guys so much and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks, BettyCora. This is amazing. Love it.